Plan2Isometric command. To convert drawing from plan to isometric, we are going to use srjcad program command called Plan2Isometric command. This command can be called through srjcad menu, or by toolbar or by command prompt. The short form to call Plan2Isometric command is P2I. When this command is called, command prompt first asks to select sprinkler or nozzle block. Next, select all the objects to be projected as isometric. Specify a base point and set an isometric projection plane. Selected objects are now converted to the isometric projection plane.